We're in York, Nebraska, and it's freaking raining. So not only did we get a shower, the truck's getting one too. And yes, I shaved.
So we made it to the delivery point, and I actually need to back into that dock right there. So I'm backing up so we can get flipped around and go in that dock.
So as you guys can see, we ate some food here in, I think it's, I'm gonna butcher it. You guys know I'm horrible with names of these towns. Ogallala, or Ogallala, Nebraska. I'm at the TA. Ogallala, blah, blah, blah. Ogallala. Oh, there's a night truck over here. So, I was live earlier, and then Matt went live. It's like war on trolls. Going inside, I'm gonna use the facilities, maybe grab a snack or something, but I know this vlog is pretty short because of the amount of time lapse that I used in it. I just really like the song that's playing with it. It's called Chicken Truck Run. And I really like the name, and I liked it, so I just planned the whole day around that song. Tomorrow, we'll be headed down to Chase, Kansas, pick up a load that has 2 stops on it, one in Oklahoma City, another one in Dallas. So if you're along that route line, let me know in the comments below. Maybe we can grab a coffee. What a day though, right? So I'm about to hit the sack, hit the rack, go to bed, do what I do when my eyes are closed. But I wanted to touch on the live feed that I just did a few minutes ago. If you get a chance, go and watch about the first, skip the first like 5 minutes, and then watch that 10-minute period after that. I kind of talked about, you know, the trollerism and you know, some of the negativity that people allow themselves to become affected by. And the main point of the thing is you need to go from, you know, take yourself from being trivial to being triumphant. You know, up your level. You know, surround yourself with people whose skills are opposite of your own. You know what I'm saying? So maybe you're good at art and you suck at math. Work with somebody that is really good with math that sucks at art, and help each other, learn from each other, and use one another's strengths to both of your benefit. As always, guys, please be safe. Do something kind for one another. Hold a door. Pick up something that somebody drops. Or just say hi or good morning to somebody. You could change that person's entire day. I'll talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the thumbs up button and that little bell so you know when I go live, so you guys can be part of the conversation. Take care, everybody. Alright, one of the 5 of you has to be Bob because you guys sound just like Bob. Are you Bob?